We will now modify the geometry. First, select the Solids Manager. Then, select Model Prep and click on Add History. Make sure Operation Type is set to Create Operations and Create a Single Operation is selected. Leave the minimum and maximum radius values at their default and make sure Find Fillets is selected. Then press OK. If this error appears, press OK. You may have to do so multiple times. Select each fillet until this one is selected. Double-click on the operation and change the radius to 0.25 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. With the operation selected, click on Regenerate Selected. Select Home, and under Analyze, select Dynamic. Zoom in and select this face. Move the arrow over this face and make sure the radius is 0.25. Then press OK. To deselect the fillet, click on Part Model. Select Model Prep. Then click on Remove History. Select the solid and press End Selection. Select Push Pull. Leave the parameters at their default value. Rotate the part until you can see the bottom. Select the bottom face. Move your mouse cursor over the arrow and drag it down. Then type in 0.25 on your keyboard and press Enter twice. Then press OK to exit the command. Select Push Pull again. Rotate the part and zoom in on this area. Hold Shift on your keyboard and select this edge. Click on the arrow and drag it upwards. Type in the value 0.125 and press Enter twice. Press OK and create new operation. Rotate the part, hold Shift on your keyboard and select this edge. Click and drag on the arrow up. Enter the value 0.125 on your keyboard and press Enter twice. Then press OK to exit the command. And return your view to isometric. Select the Levels Manager. Change the level number to 2. And change the name to Solid Stock. Right-click in the graphics window and select the right view. Click on C-Plane and change it to right as well. Click on the Z icon. Rotate the part and select this endpoint. Change your view back to right and toggle construction mode to 2D. Return home and change the line thickness to as thick as it can be. Select Wireframe and then select Bounding Box. Select the solid and press End Selection. Change the origin position to this corner and change the Y value to 8.25 and press Enter. Make sure lines and arcs are selected. Then press OK. Change your view to isometric. Select Silhouette Boundary. Then select the solid and press End Selection. Leave the values at their default and press OK to exit the command. Click on Select All Wireframe Entities and then press Alt-E on your keyboard to hide everything else. Change your view back to right. Select these lines and press Delete on your keyboard. Then select Trim to Entities. Make sure Type is set to Trim and Method is set to Trim 3 Entities. Select this angled line here, this line, and then this one. Press OK to exit the command. Hold Shift on your keyboard and select this line, then press Delete. Change your view to Top. Click on C-Plane Right and change it to Top as well. Click on the Z value and change it to 0. Then press Enter. Change your view back to isometric. Select Solids, and then select Extrude. Make sure the selection method is set to Chain, and select the chain. Then press OK. If necessary, change the extrude direction. Change the distance to 12.95054 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Make Level 1 the active level and disable visibility for Level 2. Press Alt-E to unhide the geometry. Click on the Z value and change it to 1 and press Enter. Make sure the construction mode is still set to 2D. Change your view to Top. Select Wireframe, and under Curves, select Curve 1 Edge. Hold Shift on your keyboard and select this edge. Then press Enter. Hold Shift on your keyboard and select this edge. Then press Enter. Zoom in. Select the inner contour. And the end. Then press Delete on your keyboard. Click on Clear Selection to make sure no entities are selected. Select Home, and then select Delete Duplicates. Press OK. Right-click in the graphics window and select Clear Colors. Zoom in. Select Transform, and then select Offset Chains. Select this chain here. Then press OK. Click inside of the chain and change the offset distance to 0.85 and press Enter. Then press OK to exit the command. And Clear Colors. Select Wireframe and then select Line Endpoints. Change the type to Vertical. Select the first endpoint here and the second endpoint roughly here. Change the axis offset to -4.315 and press Enter. Press OK and create new operation. Sketch the second line from here to approximately here. Change the axis offset to 4.1 and press Enter. Press OK to exit the command. Select Curve All Edges. Then select this face and press End Selection. Change Keep Loops to Outside. Then press OK to exit the command. Return your view to isometric and save your file.